Tomatoes are not only a versatile and delicious part of many cuisines, but they are also an impressive food for supporting brain health due to their rich content of lycopene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. Lycopene, the bright red carotenoid that gives tomatoes their color, is a particularly potent neuroprotective compound. It has strong antioxidant properties, which allow it to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress is one of the primary contributors to neuronal damage and age-related cognitive decline, and by combating this stress, lycopene helps preserve the structure and function of brain cells. Research has shown that higher lycopene intake is associated with better memory performance, improved cognitive flexibility, and slower progression of age-related mental decline, highlighting its potential as a long-term protective nutrient for brain health. Vitamin C in tomatoes adds another layer of brain support, playing a key role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. These chemical messengers are critical for mood regulation, attention, memory formation, and mental clarity. By ensuring efficient neurotransmitter production, vitamin C supports sharper thinking, faster reaction times, and improved focus throughout the day. Additionally, vitamin C contributes to the brain's antioxidant defense system, complementing lycopene's protective effects by reducing inflammation and protecting neurons from cumulative damage over time. Beyond these primary nutrients, tomatoes also contain polyphenol and other bioactive compounds that support vascular health, which is closely linked to cognitive function. Healthy blood vessels ensure that the brain receives a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, supporting mental energy, sustained attention, and optimal processing speed. Lycopene and the associated antioxidants in tomatoes help maintain vascular flexibility, improving circulation to the brain and enhancing neuronal efficiency. This combination of antioxidant and vascular benefits makes tomatoes especially valuable for preserving cognitive performance as we age. Regular consumption of tomatoes has also been associated with improved overall mental resilience. The antioxidants in tomatoes help reduce neuroinflammation, which can otherwise interfere with synaptic plasticity, the ability of neurons to strengthen or form new connections in response to experience. Maintaining synaptic plasticity is critical for learning, memory retention, and adaptability, meaning that tomatoes actively support the brain's ability to grow and adapt over time. Some research even suggests that diets rich in tomatoes and other lycopene-containing foods may be linked to a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases, further emphasizing their role in long-term brain protection. Tomatoes are also highly versatile in the diet, allowing for consistent inclusion in meals that can enhance both immediate and long-term cognitive health. They can be eaten raw in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, lightly cooked in sauces and soups, or roasted and paired with other vegetables and healthy fats, which can further improve the absorption of fat-soluble compounds like lycopene. Cooking tomatoes often increases the bioavailability of lycopene, meaning that prepared tomato products such as sauces or stews can deliver even greater neuroprotective benefits compared to raw tomatoes, without losing vitamin C content if cooked gently. Including tomatoes in combination with other brain-supportive foods, such as leafy greens, nuts, or olive oil, creates synergistic effects that amplify their cognitive benefits. Overall, tomatoes are a remarkably brain-supportive food due to their potent antioxidant content, particularly lycopene, which protects neurons from oxidative stress and reduces the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Vitamin C enhances neurotransmitter synthesis and further strengthens the brain's defenses against oxidative damage. By supporting neuronal protection, neurotransmitter function, vascular health, and synaptic plasticity, tomatoes contribute to sharper memory, better learning, sustained attention, and long-term cognitive resilience. Regularly incorporating tomatoes into the diet, whether raw, cooked, or as part of mixed dishes, offers a simple, natural, and delicious way to nourish the brain and maintain mental vitality throughout life.